everybody? This is the Planet Earth here. Welcome to a very windy thunderstorm where I can't even see shit. Enjoy. It's very windy. Let's get Roy into the severe thunderstorm. Damn, son. Enjoy this 360 view of the thunderstorm while I drive through it. God damn! Damn, the fucking car is being blown to the fucking... Damn! Yo, I gotta hold the wheel to the left, man. Holy shit. Damn. It's gonna get worse, too. Beautiful. Look how fast the clouds are moving. Those clouds are moving like they're on fucking fire. Holy crap. Look at this shit. Is that a tornado? I ain't running into no goddamn tornado. That's definitely a tornado. It's right above me. It's right above me. I don't know, guys. Look up. Is that just clouds or is that a tornado? Okay. Alright. I'm just making sure it's not a tornado. Alright. Okay. It's gonna get windier. We're almost there into the... We're almost there into the wind, into the main wind. Into the main wind we go. Whoa. Okay, we're almost in it now. Damn, son. Damn, it's so dark. It's nighttime already. That's not possible. We still got 2 hours of sunshine. Damn, it's that bad? Holy shit. Yeah, oh my fucking god. Boom. Whoa, shit, son.